Want to know how to explore GPTs or mods in ChatGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So you can use or create mods like these, such as the ones we're talking about, like Spotify, Canva, and so on. So first things first, just simply open up your ChatGPT application, and once you're there, just simply open up your sidebar by just simply selecting open sidebar right here on the top left side. So once you have opened up your sidebar here, you should be seeing GPTs. So under GPTs, just simply select explore right here, and you can just simply explore mods. So you can change or select accordingly from DALL-E, programming, lifestyle, education, and much more. You can also sort it accordingly, and in order to install it, just simply select it and then select start chat right here, and it should work. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.